Hey everyone, welcome back to Coffee and Learn English. I'm Mia.
And I'm Liam. We're really happy you're here with us today. If you're new here, please subscribe and like this video.
We're here to help you practice English in an easy and fun way. Today, we're learning used to versus be used to, plus get used to.
All right, ready? Let's go. Grab a coffee and let's chat.
Straight to the point. These phrases look almost the same, but the meaning changes a lot.
And if you mix them, you can accidentally say the opposite of what you mean.
Here is the simplest difference. Used to is about the past, and it means something was true before, but is not true now.
Be used to is about what feels normal now. It means you are comfortable with something in the present.
Then we add get used to, which is the process of adaptation. It means something is becoming normal, but it is not fully normal yet.
So think of it like a timeline. Past, change, and present comfort.
Past is used to, change is getting used to, present comfort is be used to.
Example, I used to hate mornings. Then I got used to waking up early. Now I'm used to waking up early.
In this episode, we will make this very easy with 3 moves.
First, we will make the meanings clear with simple, real-life examples.
Second, we will show the grammar pattern because there is one grammar point that causes most mistakes.
Third, we will practice with conversations and drills so you can actually use these phrases.
Also, we will include the most common topics people talk about: work, weather, food, routines, studying, moving to a new place.
Because these phrases are perfect for life stories. You can describe your past and your present in a very natural way.
Quick check. If you say, I used to live here, what does it mean?
It means in the past you lived here, but now you do not.
If you say, I am used to living here, what does it mean?
It means living here feels normal now. You are comfortable with it.
Great. Now let's build used to first because it is the simplest structure.
Then we will build be used to and get used to.
Used to plus base verb is for past habits and past states that are no longer true now.
The pattern is used to plus the base verb. Used to live, used to work, used to study, used to drive.
Let's do habits first. I used to drink soda every day. That was a habit in the past, but not now.
I used to go to the gym after work. That was a past routine, but now it changed.
I used to study late at night. Past routine, not now.
I used to take the bus to work. Past routine, not now.
Now past states. These are not repeated habits, but they were true in the past.
I used to be shy. That describes your personality in the past.
I used to live in a small apartment. That was your past situation.
I used to have a lot of free time. Past situation.
I used to feel nervous speaking English. Past feeling, often in a long period of time.
Used to is very common when people compare their old life and their new life.
I used to work nights, but now I work mornings.
I used to eat out a lot, but now I cook at home.
I used to wake up late, but now I wake up early.
Now the grammar detail that matters. After used to, you do not use past tense. You use base verb.
You say used to go, not used to went.
You say used to eat, not used to ate.
You say used to be, not used to was.
Now negatives and questions. This is where people hesitate.
Keep it simple. Use did.
Negative is didn't used to.
I didn't used to like coffee, but now I like it.
I didn't used to exercise, but now I do.
I didn't used to cook, but now I cook almost every day.
Questions are did you used to?
Did you used to play sports as a kid?
Did you used to live in this city?
Did you used to wake up early?
Great. Now we move to be used to, and this is where the main mistake happens.
Because be used to is not followed by base verb. Be used to means something feels normal, familiar, or comfortable now.
It is a present comfort phrase, even if the thing was difficult at first.
The structure is be used to plus a noun or an ing verb.
That is the key, noun or ing.
Examples with the noun. I am used to the noise.
The noise feels normal to you now.
She is used to the weather.
The weather is not a problem for her.
We are used to the schedule.
The schedule feels normal.
Examples with ing verbs. I am used to waking up early.
Waking up early is normal now.
He is used to working under pressure.
Working under pressure is normal for him.
They are used to driving in traffic.
Driving in traffic feels normal.
Here is the most common mistake. People say, I am used to wake up early.
That is not correct. You need the ing. I am used to waking up early.
Another common mistake. People say, I am used to live in this city, but they mean the past.
If you mean the past, you say, I used to live in this city.
If you mean comfort now, you say, I am used to living in this city.
Let's do quick meaning pairs to make it crystal clear.
I used to work here. That means in the past you worked here, not now.
I am used to working here. That means working here feels normal now.
I used to eat spicy food. That means you ate it before, but not now.
I am used to eating spicy food. That means spicy food is normal for you now.
Great. Now get used to, which is the process phrase.
It is the bridge between past and present comfort. Get used to means you are adapting. Something is becoming normal, but not fully normal yet.
It is often used when you change jobs, move to a new country, or start a new routine.
The structure is get used to plus noun or ing, just like be used to.
I am getting used to the new job.
I am getting used to the weather.
I am getting used to waking up early.
He is getting used to speaking English at work.
You can also use it with will for the future.
You will get used to it.
That is a very common phrase to encourage someone.
Now let's connect the timeline clearly.
I used to sleep late. That was my past habit.
Then I got used to waking up early. That was the adaptation period.
Now I'm used to waking up early. That is my present comfort.
We can do the same with weather.
I used to hate the cold.
Then I got used to the cold.
Now I'm used to the cold.
Or with language learning.
I used to feel shy speaking English.
Then I got used to speaking English in class.
Now I'm used to speaking English every day.
Great. Now we fix mistakes with clear, wrong, and correct examples because that is where learners improve fast.
Then we do longer conversations so it sounds real and not like a textbook. Quick corrections. We say the wrong sentence, then the correct sentence.
Wrong. I am used to live in Toronto.
Correct. I used to live in Toronto. Or correct if you mean comfort now. I am used to living in Toronto. Wrong. I used to living with my parents.
Correct. I used to live with my parents.
Wrong. I am used to wake up early.
Correct. I am used to waking up early.
Wrong. I am getting used to wake up early.
Correct. I am getting used to waking up early.
Wrong. Did you used to play the piano?
Correct. Did you use to play the piano?
Because after did, you use base form.
Wrong. I didn't used to like vegetables.
Correct. I didn't used to like vegetables.
Now let's do some natural contrast sentences that sound like real life.
I used to hate mornings, but now I'm used to waking up early.
I used to be nervous speaking English, but now I'm used to it.
I'm still getting used to my new schedule.
You'll get used to it. Everyone does.
Great. Now conversation time. Two friends catching up and talking about changes with lots of natural examples.
This is where your brain starts to feel the difference naturally. Conversation time. Two friends catching up and talking about changes.
Listen for used to, be used to, and get used to.
Hey Mia, you look more energetic lately.
Thanks. I changed my routine.
What changed?
I used to stay up late every night.
I knew it.
Yes, but now I wake up early.
Was it hard?
At first, yes, I was getting used to waking up early and it felt terrible.
I can imagine.
I was so sleepy.
And now?
Now I'm used to it. It feels normal.
That's impressive.
What about you?
I used to eat out a lot.
Really?
Yes, but now I cook more. I'm getting used to cooking.
That's great.
I'm not fully used to cooking yet, but it's getting easier.
That sentence is perfect. Not fully used to it yet.
because it shows you are still adopting.
Any other changes?
I started a new job.
Oh, big change.
The first week was stressful. I wasn't used to the pressure.
But are you getting used to it now?
Yes, I'm getting used to working under pressure.
Nice. That is exactly how native speakers talk about change.
Great, now we give people super useful everyday lines they can copy, and we expand with more examples.
Let's expand with more practical situations. These phrases are perfect for moving, traveling, and changing habits.
We'll give you mini scenes.
Scene 1. New city.
I used to live in a small town, but now I live in a big city.
At first, I wasn't used to the noise.
But now I'm used to the noise.
I'm still getting used to the traffic.
Scene 2, new job.
I used to work from home, but now I work in an office.
At first, I wasn't used to the commute.
Now I'm used to the commute.
And I'm getting used to the new team.
Scene 3. Weather.
I used to live in a warm place.
So you weren't used to the cold.
Exactly. Now I'm getting used to the cold.
Scene 4. Food.
I didn't used to like spicy food.
But now you're used to it.
Yes, and I'm getting used to new flavors too.
Scene 5. English speaking.
I used to feel shy in class.
Then I got used to speaking in small groups.
Now I'm used to speaking every day.
Notice how easy it is to make a full story.
Past, change, comfort. It's a natural progression.
Now we do a longer drill with more variety so the video feels full and the learner gets many examples.
And we will include quick explanations so it stays easy.
Drill time. Choose the correct phrase. Used to, be used to, or get used to.
We'll add a reason quickly so you understand the logic. In the past, I play video games every day, but now I don't.
Used to. Past habit that changed.
This is normal now. I waking up at 6.
Am used to. Present comfort.
It's new for me, but it's becoming normal. I speaking English at work.
Am getting used to. Adopting process.
In the past, she be very shy.
Used to. Past state that changed.
The situation feels normal now. They, the busy schedule.
Are used to. Present comfort with a noun.
It's still hard, but it's improving. We, the new software.
Are getting used to. Process.
In the past, I hate mornings.
Used to. Past feeling.
Now it feels normal. I mornings.
This one is not about used to anymore. You can say, I like mornings now, or I'm used to mornings now, depending on meaning.
Great point. Sometimes you choose a different verb because it fits your meaning better.
Now, let's do questions, because questions make this useful in real conversation.
And many learners want to ask friends about their habits and changes. Question practice, conversation style.
These sound natural, and you can use them today.
Did you used to live in another country?
Yes, I used to live in Spain.
Are you used to living here now?
Yes, I'm used to it.
Are you getting used to your new job?
I am. At first, I wasn't used to the schedule, but now it's easier.
Did you used to wake up early?
No, I didn't used to wake up early.
So how did you change?
I started waking up early, and I got used to it slowly.
Are you used to speaking English every day?
I'm getting used to it. I still feel nervous sometimes.
That's normal. You'll get used to it.
Thanks.
Another very common question.
What was something you didn't used to like, but now you like?
Great question. I didn't used to like coffee, but now I'm used to it.
That is a very adult sentence.
True.
Great. Now we end with a strong recap and a clear practice challenge so people feel progress. Final recap. Used to plus base verb is for past habits or past states that are no longer true now.
I used to live there. I used to work nights. I used to be shy.
Be used to is for something that feels normal now. It is followed by a noun or an ing verb.
I am used to the noise. I am used to living here. I am used to waking up early.
Get used to is for the process of adapting, and it is also followed by a noun or an ing verb.
I am getting used to the schedule. I am getting used to working late. You will get used to it.
Biggest mistakes to avoid. Don't say, I am used to live when you mean the past.
Say, I used to live.
Don't say, I am used to wake up.
Say, I am used to waking up.
Practice challenge. Pick 3 topics: sleep, work, and English learning.
Write one past sentence with used to, one change sentence with getting used to, and one present comfort sentence with am used to.
Then speak them out loud. That will train your brain.
All right, that's it for today. Thanks so much for listening. We're really happy you were here with us.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe and like this video. Turn on the bell so you always get notified when we post a new one.
Comment, what's your biggest difficulty in English right now, and what do you want to learn next?
Grab a coffee and we'll talk again soon.